Hi everyone, my name is Suresh Chokse. We are here for the learning the DevOps training program. Until now, we covered the some of the topic in the basic Docker, in which we already covered the how we can create a GCP account, how we can create a Docker, and then second topic we cover the how we can run the container in the Docker site and how we can create the images. And we just completed the maybe in the Node.js deployment part, and how we can create my own custom image with using the Node.js. Now we are trying to cover the Python application. So how we can create a Python application in the without Docker and with the Docker. Okay. So what is the prerequisite for the Python part? Okay, you should have the first we will install the this is the basic understanding. First of all, we need to install the Docker in the Ubuntu machines. Okay, then we can create a maybe a directory. Then we can create a Docker file. Okay, in the Docker file, similar kind of thing. First, we will install the Ubuntu. Okay, under another Ubuntu, you can whatever process you are running in the Ubuntu, right? apt-get update and apt-get install Python 3 and Python 3 pip, and then pip install Flask. Okay, Flask is the application in which we can create a web application. Then you should require the app.py. Okay, so this part, and you can after that you can run the entry point. So once you will run the this command in the Docker file, then you can run the Docker file run command. Without the Docker, how we can run? First of all, we need to install the Python with all of this command: apt-get update, apt-get install, and pip install Flask. Then you can create a python file, in which maybe you need to just copy this command, and then you can run. So we can follow the similar kind of steps. Okay, without Docker and Docker. So we have the one already we have the VM here, and we have already installed the Docker. So how we can check Docker is available or not? So we can check Docker. Okay, so it is available. Now for what is the first step? We need to install the Python and pip. Okay, so how we can install the Docker and the pip? So we have the this command. Okay, so sudo apt get update. First of all, we can check update command. Now we can run sudo apt get install python 3 python 3 dot pip. Okay, let's see the version python 3. Okay, so what is the thing? What is it is giving the issue? Import. Okay, so let's check what is the thing. Okay, something is problematic. Let's connect again. We can go here and connect. Okay, authorize. Okay, let's check the version whether Python is available or not. Python 3. Yeah, Python 3.8.10 is available in the system. Okay, but it is no. We need to go inside. Stopped. Okay, good. Okay, so now control Z we need to do in the control Z for the this part. Now we have the Python 3 installation. After that we can cover the pip install flask, it is used for the web application. So how we can install it? Sudo pip install flask. Okay, now it is can't install, no files here available, downloading. Okay, it's okay. Now we can create a, okay, we can create a app.py. Okay, so we can create a app.py from here via editor. Okay, app.py, we can copy that. Okay, let's see. So how to run the command? Okay, Python, I think Python app.py, right? I think no, Python 3. Okay, so running on this server 8080 port, it is running, right? And similar kind of thing we can run in the background also. Okay, so if you can see it is running. Any question? I have to disconnect due to some question. Okay, we'll go through the video. Okay, so Python is running. Similar kind of process we need to run in the maybe in the with Docker file. So how we can create it? First of all, we need to go here. Okay, and we can create a Docker file. Okay, so what is the command we need to do? Same thing. From. Why we are using the from? With help of the from, we can download the image from Docker Hub to your inside the container. Just like we are using the Docker pull command for the with command line. Similar kind of thing we can do it in the with the help of the Docker file. Okay, so first of all, we need to install the Ubuntu. Then we need to run the apt get updates. Whatever step we have followed till now in the without Docker, same thing we can follow. Then run apt get install, then -y python 3 python 3 dot pip. Okay, run pip install flash, the copy app.py. Okay, opt that app.py. Now entry point means by default it is running the command on this part. So entry point we are using. Okay, and we are using the we are setting the configuration file also, flash app equal to app.py flash run and host 0.0.0.0. Okay, now this is the thing. We can save it. How we can build the image? Okay, simple. Docker build hyphen t.
First will be sudo.
Oh, thanks a lot. Sudo python demo. So if you can see whatever step we followed in the with the outside the container in same system, same process it is running for us, right? So first step, third step is apt-get install Python 3 and Python 3 pip. Okay, done. Okay, we can check Docker images. Sorry, always Docker images. Okay, so my Python demo is completed. Now we can run the Docker run command. Docker run hyphen name my Python demo. P is the what is the port number we have given? 8080, right? Okay, in the app.py 8080 8080 8080. Okay, 9090 we can give. Oh, sorry, 90 9090 we can give, and it is attached to this one. In D my Python demo. Now we can check how we can check it. 9090. Okay, something is problem. Confusion is 9090. Okay, we need to check whether it is running or not. We can check the logs, or we can check logs. Okay, my Python. Okay, sudo command. Okay, flask run hyphen help could not import app. Okay, so app is not import properly. Something is problem. Okay, so rather than this part we can run, we can just directly run the Python 3 and app.py cmd command. So we can do some changes in the vi. Okay, so what is the we need to do the changes. Before that we need to stop the container. Okay, so we need to stop docker ps. Okay, sudo docker stop. So whatever command you were running in the without docker, same command you can use it. So it is easy to run. Sudo docker rm my demo. Okay, now we can change. Again we can check the Python 3 command. How we can run it? app.py. Okay, so warning, this is the development server to not use the production deployment, but it is running, right? It is running in the 8080 port. So same command we can give with the cmd command, just like previously in the node.js server we have given the cmd. How we can change it? Then docker file we can change it, rather than this command entry point. Okay, we can mention the cmd double code cmd python p app.py. We can update it. Okay, now again build the image, run. Okay, container name is already running. Okay, let's check. Sudo docker ps -a. Okay, already running, so we need to stop it first of all. sudo docker stop my python demo and remove it. Do you understand why it is giving the issue? Now we will run again. Now we can check it. It is running. Sudo docker ps. No, it is not running. Something is failed in the running during the running command. Okay, something is failing. So we need to check why it is. Stop it. ps hyphen a app.py. Okay, let's check the logs. How we can check the log? Docker logs. So whenever anything is failed, okay, in the system, so we need to check, go to the log. It is giving the proper information. Okay, if you can see, can't open file app.py, no such file or directory it is available. Okay, so in the app dot this one, right, before the copy the file, we need to go inside the file, then we can run the file. Do you understand what is the problem? Hello.
Yes.
So what is the problem?
Cannot read the file of app.py means
Yeah,
cannot get
because
the file.
yeah,
Open the
we are inside. First of all, we after the copy, we need to go inside the work directory. Okay, and the work directory, because wherever we are running the command, Python 3 command. Okay, so app.py file should be there. So we need to go into the work directory, just like in the Node.js application, right? In the Node.js application, before the command, okay, before the this thing, work directory user src app, then we can copy the command, okay, dot this, and then we can run the this part. Clear?
yes.
Okay, and then similar kind of thing we can try in the here also. Let's see. So how we, so whenever you are running facing some issues, how we can get the logs? So in the logs command, we will try again. Before that, we need to stop the container, right? Or directly remove, because it is already in the stop condition. Shruti, are you able to understand?
Yes, yes, Suresh.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Now in the vi docker file, understanding is very much important. Understanding. Okay, so now src, so we can go for directory opt, and what is the command we need to mention in the app directory, right, rather than app directory. So we need to go inside the opd directory, right? So here, rather than copy the this part, we can do some changes in the, first of all, we need to go in the opd directory here, like this, work directory opt. Okay, inside the opt, then we can copy the dot all file inside the opt, like this, and then we are inside the python 3. Let's try. Always try something. Okay, whether it is working or not, at least you can get the issue. Again, build the thing. So sometimes it is the compile time issue, sometimes it is giving the compile time issue, sometimes it is giving the runtime issue. Compile time issue means whenever you are building the image, it is giving the issue. Okay, let's try sudo docker ps. Still there is some problem, right? Again we can check, right? Can't open the file, no such file, right? So this time opt app.py file is not available, maybe in the some problem. So we can give the any other directory also. Okay, so we can give any directory just like user src app, similar kind of process we can follow. Okay, and then see, and we need to give the permission also. So we have not created the permission. Okay, so same thing we can do it. Before that, we need to stop it. Okay, try something. Okay, so you should understand the basic thing in the if you are doing the maybe in the this part, right? So once we can create the flash. Okay, now we can create a directory, run make directory -p. Okay, user src that app. Okay, this user src app. Okay, and copy the all the thing in the user src app. Okay, now we are running the thing app.py. Okay, hopefully it is available. Let's try one more time how to build the image. This everything is running. Now check. Now, so this time is properly working. Okay, so whenever your application is running, container is running, it is giving the list, right? Now we can check. How we can check it? Sudo curl http localhost 9090. Okay, welcome. Clear? So what was the issue? Do you understand how we can do the troubleshooting and all other things? Shruti and all the things. Shruti, Sona, Harneet.
Yes, I understand.
Suresh.
So what was the problem and what is the solution and how do you do the troubleshooting? You need to always, wherever your application, your container is not running, you need to always go to the logs and you need to check what is the issue. Sometimes in the permission issue, sometimes maybe file is not available, sometimes you maybe your directory is not available. If during the starting the container, if it is failed, it is automatically it is giving the error in the logs section. So logs is very much important. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. You should try it in the different way. In the but if you are following some of the things, at least you should have the maybe understanding, right, how you can overcome the issue. Okay, so this is the DevOps. Every time whenever you are trying to do something, every time you will face the issue, and at least that's why I'm saying please run the command, please do the task, because whenever you complete the task, automatically you will get a confidence. Okay, so this is for today, and tomorrow we will start the kindly follow the installation guide, this guide, and please complete the this task also, because I have mentioned the all the tasks here also, just like. So today we complete the run node.js based application without docker, run node.js with based in the application with docker, python based with application without docker, python based application with docker. So we have already completed the 4 tasks today. Okay, and hopefully in the tomorrow we will 1 hour docker session and 1 hour is the Kubernetes session next 3 days. Okay, so we will complete the Jenkins part. Okay, and tomorrow I will complete the Spring Boot part also. Okay, so 2 session I will cover in the yesterday, so sorry, tomorrow. and maybe in the next day, whenever you will face any issues, and I will try to complete the Tonkin installation, MySQL installation, MongoDB installation, and the GCVM and all other things. So we will complete all the tasks. Okay. So and please complete all the sessions here, and please join the in future. This week is very much important. After that, we will continue the learning the Kubernetes and Docker. Okay. So thanks for joining, and I'm stopping the this part, maybe recording. Yeah, thanks for joining. Okay.